जी।
अदनान, एक आम तासुर ये है कि जनरल परवेज़ मुशर्रफ आपको बहुत पसंद करते थे। इज़ दैट ट्रू?
आई सपोज सो। आई सपोज वो मुझसे ज़्यादा शायद मेरे काम को पसंद करते होंगे, बिकॉज आई इनिशियली आई डिड नॉट नो हिम एज अ पर्सन. ही वॉज अ कस्टमर ऑफ माइन. जो मेरी जमजमा पे एक पहली दुकान होती थी, तो अपेरेंटली ही यूज्ड टू गो एंड बाय क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम देयर. आई डिड नॉट नो हिम until he became Parvez Musharraf and he became, you know what, मतलब something.
मेरे अजीज़ हम वतनों वाली
जी, वो
स्पीच की
वाले
उन्होंने।
हो गए. तो
जी।
उसके बाद एक दिन मुझे फ़ोन आया कि वो इंडिया जा रहे हैं टू डू दिस पीस टॉक, जो his historic visit to India.
When he
And
was to meet Vajpayee.
when he had gone to meet Vajpayee. So this was a historic thing. And वहाँ पे he said, I want to wear not my uniform. I want something designed by Amir Adnan. So वहाँ, that was my first interaction with him. Not with him actually, but of somebody directly communicating with him. I said, okay. So he said he wants to wear, what do you suggest he should wear? I think he should wear a sherwani and a white one. And how would you do it, etc. I gave my input in that, and they said, okay, you have so many hours to make it. And I was contacted at, I think, 5 in the evening. And अगले दिन सुबह 9 बजे उनकी flight थी.
Oh.
So within like minutes and hours, we put together things. My tailors were picked up by their aircraft. They were flown to Islamabad. वहाँ उनकी measurement हुई. और उसके बाद हमने वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे आया कपड़ा, हमने उनकी बनाई चीज़ें. And I chose Kashmiri embroidery on the collar to show that this was, and it was an ivory off-white fabric जिसमें ये product बना था. It had to be bulletproof, तो उसकी वो measurements के अंदर वो सारा कुछ changes हुआ. So I chose Kashmiri embroidery on the collar to show that this is a matter of dispute between the two of us. But it's also a very beautiful place. So if you look at it from a different point of view, rather than owning it, share it, or do something like that, or appreciate its beauty. So it would shed another light.
How symbolic. I mean,
And then the
collar
color
था
white.
तो close to the voice box, close to the heart.
Exactly.
So many
and
different
the first
layers.
point of vision. कि आप जब contact करते हैं तो your voice comes from there. Very true. कि वो वहाँ से जो point of contact है, तो वो था. And that was the contention. कश्मीर का issue ही होता है जिसपे हमारी हमेशा लड़ाई होती है. So I beautified that, and I especially took Kashmiri take and I did that hand embroidery on it. And the color of the sherwani was white, off-white, which is symbol of peace. So basically it was a non-verbal gesture from us to show peace towards them and to beautify or to soften the topic of dispute, which was Kashmir. And that is what he took. It had hand embroidered buttons and all. तो खैर ये आई थिंक रात को वो वहाँ से वापस आए, पूरी रात ये शेरवानी से ली. नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज पिक्ड अप, इट वाज गिवन टू हिम एट द एयरपोर्ट, एंड ही वोर दैट टू, आई थिंक आगरा में पहन के गए थे.
जी.
तो दैट वाज इट. एंड देन ही वाज रिसीव्ड. द समिट डिड नॉट गो वेरी वेल, वो एक अलग बात है, बट ही वाज सिलेक्टेड एज द टॉप 10 बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड by Time magazine.
And you put in so much thought into the whole
it was just
symbolism of it.
Well, that was the first thing. So I think what he liked was what he wore, and I did not meet him much later. फिर उन्होंने वो शेरवानी बनाई. Then he said, "Now I'm going to United Nations to present Pakistan. Get me another outfit." So then we made another dark blue sherwani for him with some work on the collar. That was true Pakistani embroidery. Then he wore that, and when he represented Pakistan at United Nations, वो 2 दफ़ा उन्होंने पहनी. So then I went to his house for an interview for one of my magazines, which was called High Magazine. It talked about the high achievers of Pakistan. So we did an interview. That is the first time I ever met him.